Uno Worldcoin. So what is that? So in a Worldcoin app, in a World app, basically you can just go to the app stores. This is an updated version of the app, and then you have different apps, and then also what you have is this app called Uno, just basically analytics dashboard for all your tokens inside of World app. And then you can just install it and open it up. And then you just have all your tokens, which are kind of additional tokens which you got in World app. Worldcoin is not added here in the balance, but Orb token, Oro token, Gloom token, Common Ag, all added here. Then you can also swap this, and then you can see history of your transactions. So you can just see it here. And so that's the idea. And then also here there are also transactions from your World wallet. So, and then you can just see it here. So that's basically what it is. So some of the tokens here, you can see, you can share Uno, you can disconnect, and then I guess, so you can copy address, you can reload it, rate it, support, and that's basically what you have here. So that's basically the idea. I don't know whether there is like a separate Uno wallet app in the App Store, but that's what it is.